Welcome to this video, where we'll dive into the world of limited liability companies, LLCs, for freelance artists. We'll discuss the tax and liability advantages, especially for those working with international clients. Our focus will be on understanding whether forming an LLC offers any significant benefits for freelance artists. In today's video, we'll cover the following topics: an introduction to LLCs and their relevance for freelance artists, the tax implications of forming an LLC, the liability protection they offer, considerations for working with international clients, and finally, our conclusions and recommendations. A limited liability company, or LLC, is a flexible business structure in the U.S. that offers the liability protection of a corporation along with the tax benefits of a partnership. It's a common option for many freelancers because it provides a shield against personal liability while maintaining simplicity in taxation. In terms of tax implications, single-member LLCs are generally treated as disregarded entities for federal tax purposes, meaning that the IRS ignores the LLC, and the income is taxed directly to the owner. Therefore, forming an LLC doesn't significantly change the tax burden compared to being a sole proprietor, especially for most income levels. Exploring retirement accounts, such as solo 401ks, can provide better tax-saving strategies. Now, let's test your knowledge. What is the tax status of a single-member LLC for federal tax purposes? Is it A, a corporation, B, a partnership, C, a disregarded entity, or D, a nonprofit? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is that a single-member LLC is considered a disregarded entity for federal tax purposes. This means that the IRS doesn't treat it as a separate entity when it comes to taxes. One of the key benefits of an LLC is liability protection. By forming an LLC, you can separate your personal assets from business liabilities. However, the degree of this protection can vary depending on state laws. Since the artist's work involves intellectual property and doesn't involve direct interaction with clients, their liability risk is usually lower than businesses with significant physical assets. But professional liability insurance remains a recommended safety measure. Working internationally adds a layer of complexity to tax matters. For example, U.S. citizens working with international clients face unique tax challenges. Tax treaties between countries, like the U.S. and Germany, can significantly affect how income is taxed. It's essential to consult with a qualified tax professional to understand how these treaties apply to your specific situation. In conclusion, while LLCs offer liability protection for freelance artists, they don't provide significant tax advantages. Instead, consider retirement savings plans for better tax strategies. Always consult tax and business professionals for international scenarios, and carefully weigh the costs and benefits of setting up an LLC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights on managing your freelance business effectively.